Welcome to the Colorlight course. This video will walk you through how to delete local programs. What is the principle of publishing programs to the player? In LAN mode or cloud mode, the published programs are saved in the player locally. The more programs are, the less space is available. Why is deleting programs necessary? Deleting programs manages the space of your player and ensures the subsequent program publishing. Regular deletion helps get things done more efficiently. Before deleting a program, we need to know the program's attributes. Click on Program Management to view the program's attributes. There are two types of attributes, and programs created in different modes must be deleted in their respective modes. To delete a program in LAN mode, follow these steps. Launch Player Master. In the left side device list, select the device for which you want to delete the program. Select Program Management in the main interface. In the pop-up interface, click on Delete next to the program to delete it. Select Delete All to delete all programs on your player. To delete a program in cloud mode, switch to cloud mode. In the left side list, select device for which program to delete from the terminal group. Select Program Management in the main interface. In the pop-up interface, click on Delete next to the program to delete it. Select Delete All to delete all programs on your player. It should be noted that the deleted program might be restored. This is because the program published in cloud mode cannot be deleted in LAN mode. After deletion, it will be restored automatically in the cloud-based platform. Note that for programs published in cloud mode, delete them in the same mode. That's how to delete local programs. Subscribe to the Colorlight channel and stay tuned for more updates.